EPRI is the Electric Power Research Institute, and we're an independent, nonprofit R&D company. We conduct all aspects of electricity research, from electricity generation to transmission to environmental compliance. EPRI has paid increased attention to sustainability and corporate social responsibility issues over the past few years. And one of the things that we wanted to improve upon was our recycling performance and our waste diversion. We looked at the different waste streams we have, and we realized that food waste was one of our biggest waste streams because we have a cafeteria and we feed a lot of people. So we decided to start composting. And it was new, we're new to this process, and we needed to figure out how to do this. We started out in the back of the house, in the kitchen. So we talked to our food contractor, and they worked with us, and we started composting the food scraps. We work with Earth Farms Organics, so we send our composting there. And we did that for probably over a year, just to really kind of get a feel for it. And then once that kicked off and we got the go-ahead from everyone, we decided to do it full-blown in the cafeteria. So now we do composting in all of the cafeteria. And so we do the post-consumer waste after everyone has finished eating, as well as what gets generated in the kitchen. It took a bit of a process because we had to make sure we had the right containers in the cafeteria. So we don't wash our dishes. We have disposable dishes, but they needed to be compostable. So we had to work through all of the inventory of the old disposable containers, and we got in all compostable products. So everything from the cups and plates and cutlery and straws, and had a training portion of it, because that's another really big piece of that. We created some new signs with our graphics department, and in March of this year we kicked off composting for all of the cafeteria. We sent out an email to everyone in the Charlotte office explaining the process and giving them the posters in case they haven't had a chance to look at them in the cafeteria. We got CSR members to volunteer for shifts, for lunch shifts, to talk to people. And we kind of made it fun, and we put these bright yellow traffic vests on, and we called them waste traffic controllers. We had people coming up, sometimes in a line, and we would have the waste traffic controllers helping them to sort where the food was going to go into the different bins. EPRI wants to be a leader in all aspects of things that we do, and our CSR goals are just another example of that. So we want to reduce our energy, our water, and our greenhouse gas emissions by 20% overall by 2020. And this is another example, another way to achieve that goal. But it's been very rewarding that we've had people come in from off-site, different utilities across the country, and they've seen our composting system, they've seen our waste sorting system in the cafeteria, and have asked a lot of questions about it and been intrigued. And I think they might even take some of what we're doing back to their facilities and try to improve their own composting and recycling process. It was important for us to apply for this award because we wanted to recognize the efforts of all the people that have worked hard to achieve this. At the same time, we want to use this to generate further momentum and helping us achieve our goals and do even more.